moreover,
Yeah,
like in introduction.
yeah, that's the reason. However, the things which you need to remember, right? So things are coming from here, right? So things are starting from here, right? So
So wherever there is duplicity, we just copy that, we just select that particular column, move it to another sheet and remove the duplicates, right?
no. Not only for the duplicity. However, yes, there are certain things which you need to present separately, right? If you need to present your country-wise data, absolutely. See, there will be duplicity in the location and the countries. These are something unique where you will always see the duplicity in the countries and the location.
Mm-hmm.
Right. So in your data, there may have 3 or 4 columns. Absolutely, there may have 3 or 4 columns where you will definitely see the duplicity. Like if I talk about how many people are reporting to a person, right? So absolutely, out of 10 people, there will be a single name. There are
In
10
my
people who
case,
have been
there
repeated.
are two possibilities. In my
Sorry.
case, there are two possibilities
Okay.
in my data.
Okay.
So there are two possibilities. First thing is the item that can be duplicated, and
Okay.
second thing is the customer. So same product can be
Absolutely.
sold to multiple customers,
Absolutely.
and also the country. Three
Uh,
things that we need to monitor.
No, if customers are duplicate, however, products are different. I mean, say to a single person, I mean to say, if you are selling to me, you can sell me the different products altogether, right? Customer is
Yeah.
same, however, products are different. So you cannot consider me as duplicate because I am purchasing different products from you.
Yeah.
However, yes, if there is a situation where you are selling a single product, right? However, yes, in that case, if I am purchasing that particular product multiple times, then you can consider me as duplicate.
Yeah, in this case, no, the similar product can be sold to similar customer multiple times also, and the similar
Okay.
product can be sold to multiple customers at multiple
Okay.
times.
Okay. But you will have to put
Yeah,
in
you are right. In that case only, we'll have to consider the multiple times selling. We have to
exactly.
consider that as a duplication.
Exactly, because unless you will put in the multiple times, you cannot you cannot judge your sale or you cannot judge your revenue, right? Out of that.
Yes, yes, yes.
All right. Here again the countries. Now again go to your data and look at it. Will it is taking time just because I am telling you. Otherwise, when you will
No
have a
issue.
good hands-on on this now, you will take
Mm-hmm.
only 5 minutes.
To create a dashboard.
And now hotel name. Remove other columns again. Remove duplicates. All right. So we
Yeah.
have almost 199 or 198 hotels where these visitors have visited, right? So here,
Yeah.
hotel name. So now we have already segregated all the our as per our requirements. We have segregated our sheet as per our requirement, right? So now you can see the one sheet which is disable here. I would say disable here. Uh, uh, the reason behind disabling it, I will show it now. So now we have 4 sheets here. We have single sheets here. Now, and for these 4 sheets, we have made this option as enabled, right?
Enabled. Yeah.
Enable load. So now, as soon as you have done this, close and apply. Go to close and apply. Close
Before
and
that, what did you did? Just you enabled the main sheet again, the order database.
no. This is absolutely, this is still disabled. This is not enabled,
Okay.
and we don't require it to be enabled. We
Okay.
need to keep it disabled itself because
Disabled only.
as
Okay.
I mentioned, tomorrow when you would require to add in more data in your actual sheet, actual Excel sheet, just go to Power
Mm-hmm.
BI transform data, you would have that disabled sheet. Click on that, refresh it. Here, the entire data will be refreshed automatically. I'm going to say the entries which you made in your Excel sheet, these will be captured in your Power BI sheet as well.
Okay.
So now you can see those sheets which we made enabled, right? So those sheets are only loaded to the Power BI.
Yeah.
Right. So these are the sheets which we loaded. They are on Power BI. If you would like to relook there, right? So just go to transform data again. Here you can see this data was disabled, right? And rest 4 was enabled, right? And these data, these 4 sheets are reflecting here. You can see the country, you can see the final data, you can see the gender here, you can see the hotel name here.
Yes.
All right. So now whatever, so see here we have the 3 options. This is the report part, reporting part, where you will present everything. I'm going to say where you will visualize your data. This is the data part, where you can see entire your data. If you click on that, you can see your data will be open here. Right, so whatever you want to see, you can see here, and this is a part of the relationship. So Bhushan, making relationship is very, very important in Power BI, right? So again, just to reiterate, why did I ask you, have you ever used slicers in Excel? It is as similar as using slicers in Excel.
Yeah, I was just going to say that only, because the data filtration, it was more like the slicers only.
Absolutely. So in slicers, you need to build a relationship. You need to make a relationship with the other table. So similar to that, you need to make a relationship here as well.
Yeah.
Right. And if you need to see what all relationship is made, you can see clicking on that many to one. I'm going to say many to one. Why many to one? The sheet which we segregated, right? So we made is country wise, right? So country wise data will the final data sheet we had, where we had multiple customers, we had multiple hotels, we had multiple countries as well. And why we are making this relationship? Because when you will be visualizing your data country wise, so as soon as you select any country, like you are selecting Malaysia, right? So it is already connected with your final data, where the entire data available, right? So you only need to select your country. However, since you have already made a relationship, you are selecting Malaysia. However, it is picking up the entire data from the final data.
Okay.
Where the entire data is saved, entire data is stored.
Yeah.
Right. So this is a kind of relationship which we'll have to build according to your requirement. So now, yeah, here you can see origin country with the origin country itself. So here we should have the country's name, this one, right? So
yeah.
And while making relationship, Bhushan, one more thing you will have to take care of. So this was this. So here you can see our relationship with dot line, right? So here we have dot, right? So what does it show? It shows that this is the inactive relationship with that particular field. Inactive relationship with that particular field. Right, so we can make a single relationship with a single a particular field. I'm saying you cannot create multiple relationship with a particular field. However, for doing that, in case if you need to make a relationship with a field with a particular field, you will have to write a dex calculation.
Okay.
However, in relationship wala page, you can create or you can put in relationship with one field to another field only, not with multiple fields. This is something which you will have to keep in mind while you will be working on your project.
Okay.
Because sometimes many times it happens when you would require to create a relationship with the multiple fields. I mean, so you have a particular field and you will have to create relationship with the multiple fields of that particular field you have in your data. In that case, you will have to write a dex calculation.
Okay. In order to have multiple relations with a particular.
Absolutely. Absolutely. In order to have multiple relationship with a particular field, you will have to write a dex calculation.
Okay.
All right. So this
Yep.
is, so if you need to remove it, you can now, for now, you can remove it because it is absolutely not required. So you can remove this relationship. So most of the time you will see that you have the relationships auto build. I mean, so if, these are auto build. You would not require to build a relationship if you have been working on a single sheet. But when it comes to the multiple sheets, yes, at that time there are certain tables which are not linked to the final data or as per your requirement. You will have to see them and you will have to make a relationship.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Right.
Okay.
So making relationship or creating relationship is not very hard, but yes, you will have to keep at that time where you will have to create multiple relationship with us.
Okay.
All right. And making relationship, you will have to put the like you have hotel name. You will have to put hotel name to hotel name, not with another field. I mean, so you can make a relationship with the hotel name to hotel name. You cannot put hotel name with the customer ID. You cannot put a hotel name with the destination countries.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah. So we'll have to change here, right?
Sorry.
Just go to the relation part now.
Mm-hmm.
So now everything is linked to the destination.
Exactly, because you have been
Right.
working on a single sheet, right?
Single sheet, yeah.
If you see, in case if you need to see your relationship, right? So you have to drop down it and you'll have to see what all relationship you have. Instead doing that, you can simply click on this line. You can see what exactly the relationship is. So gender to gender.
Okay.
Right. And you can also see here many to one. I mean to say many means the final data is connected to the one single sheet.
One single sheet, yeah.
That's right. Okay, you can simply see your relationship.
Okay.
Okay. Now, one more thing I would like to show you in this class, or if you are, I mean to say more than enough for today, we can start with the fresh mind tomorrow, if you want.
Yeah, we can start tomorrow because I need to go out.
Yeah. Yeah, absolutely,
Fine.
absolutely. I understand because I asked you to spare for 1 hour, but it's already been 1.5 hours, and it is going to take more time. I'm to say if we are
But
going to.
Parvesh, to be really honest with you, I am really impressed with how much knowledge you have collected within a very short span of time.
Oh,
And
thank you so much.
For sure, this is very useful to me.
Thanks a lot.
You have given me an immense overview regarding how I can visualize the data. It's
Mhm.
not in just Power BI,
Mhm.
but in terms of even using Excel Power Query and even creating a dashboard on Excel. You have given
Absolutely.
me an like a refresher that was much
Mhm.
needed at the
Mhm.
moment. And
Absolutely.
since whatever you have taught me today, uh, definitely we'll go further tomorrow.
Yes, yes.
But I will be definitely trying out this for sure as soon as possible.
You have to. You
Because
have to push it. Huh.
I have many things on my mind at the moment regarding dashboards,
Mhm.
means which I need to represent to the management. It is
Yeah.
not a demand from their end, but I need
But
to show something for to
absolutely, you have to go
showcase my skill
exceptionally.
set. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Thanks a
So yeah,
lot. Thanks a
definitely.
lot for your feedback, Bhushan. And it is not more than enough. So I want you to create a dashboard on your own, and I will be more than happy. I mean to say, it is not the relationship just till the time of training, but yes, it is a relationship for I would pray forever, right? So definitely, see, it's been only 9 to 10 months, right? So I am also not expert in Power BI, to be very honest. But yes, as I already mentioned you as well, right? So after spending 8 to 9 months, you will be also in position where, see, you will be at least confident that you can train people, and no one can train you exceptionally. I mean to say, extraordinary. I mean to say, no one can teach you 200 plus tax calculation. No one can make you expert in this, right? However, yes, this is
Exactly.
you who has to devote time and who has to be expert on this. I can only tell you the way, right? And even
Yes, yes.
not me, even if you go for any certification, right? So they can help you only with the way how to work on that. However, you have to work on that.
Yes, yes. Obviously, the efforts has to come from the student end, and
Absolutely.
definitely, you have given me like an encouragement or booster that was much needed
Huh.
to grab some
Thanks a lot.
what we can say, grab more steps in terms of
Hmm.
analytics.
Yes, yes.
Yes, for sure will and this is this power BI thing means that we are learning. This journey will always go on between you and me, but
Yeah, yeah.
apart from that we'll also have a good friendship, because uh, I just felt that your and my frequency matches a lot at a level. So
All right.
yeah.
Thanks a lot, Bhushan. Thanks a lot. So we'll see you tomorrow at same time. All right.
Can we do it tomorrow early? Means if we
You
can
tell
do
me the
it
time.
early, we can dedicate more time to it.
Okay. So you tell me the time. What time will suit you?
See, I have I'm doing one course regarding supply chain analytics, which is around which starts around 9 in the morning and
Okay.
will be over by 11. So after that, I'm completely free. So if 11:30 or 12 will be good for you for an hour or a hour
Uh,
or 2 hours, it will
Not
be great then.
12, but yes, we
Then
can make
around
it,
1, 2.
we can make it 3 o'clock.
Okay, fine. We'll do it. No issues.
Is it possible? Is it fine
Yeah,
with
yeah,
you?
yeah. Yeah,
So
it's fine with me.
we can make it 3 p.m. tomorrow, 3 to 4,
Sure, sure, sure. No issues.
right?
Perfect.
So
It will work.
tomorrow,
Yeah, yeah.
what we will be covering, we will create some tax calculation, and I would want you to reiterate me what all we have done today.
Sure, sure, sure.
All right. ठीक है
Yeah.
भूषण. Let's connect tomorrow at 3 p.m.
Sure, sure. Perfect.
All right, Bhushan. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you for your
Thank
time.
you. Thank you. Yep.
Thank
Thanks.
you.
Bye bye.
All right. Bye.